Hey, great to meet you.
Mr. John.
Yeah.
Mr. John will explain something about the robot technology, which is a very unique technology I see here in USA manifest Las Vegas. John, what is on?
Yeah. So I'm John Schwarz. I'm founder and CEO of Ultra. We're a New York City-based robotics company, and this is our robot Operator. Operator is an industrial AI robot that automates repetitive work in warehouses today. Here you can see it being used to automate packaging into boxes. And so the robot can take items off of a cart or a conveyor belt. It can scan barcodes. It can put these items into packaging materials like boxes, padded mailers, or bags. And it can put labels on those packages as well, and they eventually get sent back to customers who place these orders. And so our robot Operator, it's a very lightweight, flexible robot that can do things previously impossible. The robot can be wheeled up to a workstation, turned on, and it basically starts to do work. And there's no fixed infrastructure, so all it needs is power and Ethernet. And otherwise, it's very lightweight and easy to move around.
And this robot can, how many packets can pack in 1 hour time? Like, what is the speed of this packing?
Yeah, so we can pack anywhere from 200 packages an hour or more, or for more complex packaging, sometimes that's closer to 50 or 40 packages an hour. So it really depends on your exact process.
And if, like, how any specific box sizes, or it can pack any type of boxes?
We typically do products that are one-hand grab items, so cosmetics, vitamins, apparel, small electronics, and we'll pack into smaller boxes, under like a foot cubed.
And one more question, like these boxes, we have to give it the specific boxes, or awesome. We have to give it the specific boxes or the size, or it can pack any size or any type of?
It's flexible. It can pack any size. Yeah. And this is actually cool. So this is a QR code, and if you take your phone and go to this URL, you can watch a video of this order being packaged. And so one of the nice things about having a robot pack orders is you get full traceability of your process.
Beautiful. So anybody, like my customer, when it will come to them, they can watch the video even for this.
Exactly.
If I am the owner of this product.
If you want them to.
And Mr. John, any discount you can offer to our customers if somebody wants to buy in bulk?
Yeah, I mean, today, we're working with companies. We charge a robots as a service fee, so it's a monthly fee that covers the hardware, the software, support. We charge $2,500 a month.
But this for US now. I'm talking about exporting it to Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, so we'd have to, that'd be a larger discussion that we'd have to figure out. But, today we're focused primarily in the US, but we're open to, large installations abroad.
Like if somebody wants to order like 5 to 10 robots, so are you able to deliver it to them into Saudi? We can bring it. I'm from the logistic company, so we can get it from here and we can deliver it to the customer. Okay.
Yeah.
But will you be able to handle the solution from here?
We'd have to know more about the instruments. Yeah. Today we're still a startup. We're still a relatively small company. So.
Okay. Yeah, nice one. It's we wish you very good luck.
Thank you so much.
Hope that you expand and you come to Saudi as well. And
would love that.
And definitely we'll continue meeting with you. Please share your card. So if anybody needs a solution, I'll ask them to contact directly to you. Done?
Perfect.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. So let's see how the technology is working. This robot, first it will take the box out of the unpacked box, and then it will make it properly so you can keep the boxes easily. You can see how this robot is making the box, and very perfect. Now the box is prepared, so it will put the candies out of it, whatever the thing, you will let him know to order. Now once it has taken, okay, so it will take the first one, put it in the box. Just for an example, it will put the box back, and the label is already been printed by it, and you can see the box is completely sealed, and it will put the label on the box. The label has a QR code which you will be able to read the QR and see how, when and how it was packed. It is instantly making the video as well for the same packing.
Thank you. Thank you. Dekha, you can see.
What does it take when I want to train it to do this?
It has to give it to somebody, please.
Thank you. He knows I didn't catch it.
Yeah, exactly. Nice one.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So this is something they have a solution also. Like if somebody wants to order peanut butter milk, it says confirm order. Order is confirmed, then it goes directly there. The robot will knows where is the exact order. It will pick up peanut butter or whatever the item. It will pack it and then it will give it to the customer directly. So it can also do the shop sales work as well. Like you have multiple items on the spot and you put this robot in your shop and then you put all the items there. So what it will do, it will select whichever item you need it and then it will deliver it to the customer directly the way it has given to people. Ultra company name. Let me show their brochure with you also. This is the card and you can directly contact with them if you need. Ultra
That'll be worth something one day.
Robotics.